I was a little nervous, a little confused. I'm like, why are we scuba diving in an elementary science class? I'm Michael Olson. I am a sophomore elementary education major, and I'm from Lexington, Illinois. So Science 241A is an elementary education science class where you do a lot of lesson planning and learn how to run a science classroom. At the time, we were focusing a lot on how pressure works, like water pressure, air pressure. So scuba diving underwater, obviously that shows a lot of how air pressure can be compacted and how water pressure can affect things. It was very scary getting in the water. It's a big mental challenge, not being able to breathe through your nose. Just the feeling of floating, it was super awesome, very cool experience, and I would definitely love to do it again.